Meron din po natagpuan na yumaong tao sa labas po, sa may labas. But this is actually malayo-layo po ito sa Senate premises, around 4 to 500 meters away, within the area lang po, general vicinity. He was found to be around 60 to 65 years old. Hindi pa po masigurado natin ngayon. Tawag po sa kanya, so he's a well-known in the area, alias Tropa daw siya, si alias Tropa. So at around 9 in the evening, last night, that's August 12, ay nakita po siyang sumusuka ng dugo, vomiting blood. At yung mga nakakita po naman ay inoferan siya ng pagkain, although he refused and he chose to lay down patutulog. Yun na nga, sa kasawiang palad ay nung around 6 to 6:30 in the morning, natagpuan na po siyang unresponsive. So as of now, ang tinitignan po talaga ito is he died of natural causes. But of course, he will be subjected to the proper examination and medical examinations para po makita natin talaga ang cause of death.